Howdy campers, welcome back to another let's see what kind of toy we got today episode. Um, we got us an oven. In this tiny little box is the Omnia Oven from Sweden. Been wanting one of these for a while, but they run about 80 bucks. Amazon had them on sale for 30 during Black Friday week. So I had to do Black Friday shopping and buy one. Let's see what we got here. We got a manual. We don't need no stinking manual. Now, has a nice little carry case. For an extra 25-30 bucks, you can get a silicone insert. For another 20-25 bucks, you can get a metal thing that sits inside so your food can sit up off the surface, and you could even steam your food that way. For an extra 30 bucks, you can get a hand buck. For another 30 bucks, you can get a silicone muffin pan. In other words, each here's the bottom, the base. Each additional, I have to assemble the handle all by myself. Anyway, 25-30 bucks for every single accessory. There's a bag that can handle the temperature, the hot temperatures, for another 30 or 40 bucks. So I bought the pan and the lid. You see, it's got the holes here. I've watched quite a few videos, as I do before I order something, that costs a whole 30 bucks. Actually, like I said, 80 bucks is the suggested retail price, so I was happy. I'm trying not to drop the little pieces while I'm talking. And do this. So I've got an idea of the ins and outs and all that. I saw a trick that someone posted, I think, to a Facebook group, that they, instead of spending 20 bucks on the ring, they ordered some kind of screen. I forget what type of screen, but it was 8 inches. All they had to do was cut out the center part, and it worked perfectly. I forgot the washer. Didn't you remind me to add the washer? Dag nabbit. So, supposedly in this oven, if I ever get around to actually doing more than assembling the lid, you put that base plate on your flames or a regular stove. You can cook in the house with it. But the idea is you can use your camp stove and bake all kinds of stuff without an oven. There we go. I got a lid now. So it all fits inside each other for compact. So this sits on the flame, your stove, and my lovely helper pointed out that there's a gap in between the plates where the air gets captured, and that creates the convection. It's in here, between here and here. I wasn't smart enough to figure that out, so that's why she makes the big money. Anyway, and then the air rises up through here and heats from the top. And then you've got the lid, and then excess air escapes. So you put your food in here and cook it, and the rack would go in here if you have the rack to raise the food. Keep it from burning, or you put your silicone thing in here to make for easier cleanup. They even have disposable, they have aluminum liners. Somewhere I've seen somebody had some circular parchment paper. This is the whole thing. And just out of curiosity, here's my Hot Devil. I like this thing. This is really good. I can have water ready for my coffee in about 30 seconds. And it's got these little tiny things if you're not using the pot. Let us see. I was just curious. No. Actually, no. Okay. But one of the tips I learned from watching videos is get a heat diffuser, and that helps you keep your food from burning. And I ordered a heat diffuser from Amazon at the same time. And so if you put your heat diffuser like that, maybe. I'm doing this holding everything up in the air, so. And I just knocked off one of the things anyway. So it may not work well with this. I'm still juggling, so excuse me. May need a regular size stove, maybe. But anyway, you take your heat diffuser and it diffuses the heat and helps regulate when you're using the flames, and helps keep the scorching to a minimum. That's the theory. I'm going to put this on the gas stove and bake something. They suggest your first time make something simple like a box cake or brownies or something. And don't tell anyone, I've never baked a cake. So I'm gonna run to our nearby dollar store, I think, or maybe the regular grocery, because I need groceries too. And just make a nice fly swatter. Whew, it's hot in here. Oops, I broke it. No, I didn't. Okay. I'm gonna get some kind of box cake mix. See if I can figure out how to read directions and give it a shot. And then I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Oh, don't know where that came from. Darn winter allergies. I'll get a cake mix, maybe brownies. Oh, man. Oh, I think I lost my brains. Do you see them anywhere? Oh, I'll fix something. And once I screw that up, I'll try something more impressive, like pizza is a very popular thing. Stick the dough down in the bottom, and then you put foodstuffs on top, or you can put biscuit dough. Apparently biscuits and croissants, if you don't burn them, come out really well in this. Also, the trick is to keep the temperature low, and low and slow, and the heat diffuser will help a lot. And yeah, I may even, before I go to the store, I may even glance at the directions, the little booklet, and supposedly French fries come out great. Anyway, maybe I'll come up with some great ideas. Meatloaf was supposed to be good, according to one intrepid reporter. Gratin de arroz y pollo, pan de tomillo. Maybe I'm in the wrong language. Filetto di maiale ripieno di pancetta affermacuta e formaggio. That's the wrong language. This language doesn't even have vowels, just a bunch of consonants. Oh no, Teach met Zwitsch, Roquefort, and Ham. Picarnic, something Omnia Z. I'm not even going to attempt that. Gratin de riz à poulet. I can actually understand some of that. Oh, look. Chicken and rice. Filet of pork stuffed with bacon and cheese. Thyme bread. Ham and blue cheese tarts. Is that it? One page of English? Huh. One page of English. That was it. The 4 items. Always use oven mitts or the equivalent. They also have special gloves so you can pick up the pan off the heating element, which are again $30 or so. I've got oven mitts and gloves, so Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching this first look at the Omnia oven. And I'm excited. I'm looking forward to baking something. They say that baking is an art. No, baking is a science and cooking is an art. And that's why I do a lot of the cooking in the house, and my very lovely assistant does all the baking because she's a scientist and can see things black and white. Or I'm the artiste who does these entertaining videos, and but if you add the concept of open fire to baking, I'm in. So let's give it a shot. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.